Welcome to a one-off episode called LeeChester, where two rival northern cities collide. We are going east to west and exploring the capitals of the north. Leeds and Manchester are only 45 minutes apart, but in architectural terms they are worlds apart. Manchester focuses on simplicity and Leeds focuses on quality. One builds in steel and glass and the other one builds in stone, so which city does it better? Leeds architecture feels confidently controlled. You feel welcomed into the city by warm tones of cladding and solid buildings in a city centre that feels cohesive. On the other hand, Manchester has its industrial past on its sleeve. Manchester has red brick warehouses and iron structures and a skyline that is constantly growing. You can really see the rich background of Manchester's past. In Leeds, civic buildings like the Town Hall and the Corn Exchange feel proud and refined. Manchester's historic architecture feels heavier and more dramatic. The old warehouses, the Gothic Town Hall, the railway buildings, they remind you this was once the engine room of an industrial world. Leeds feels more human scale, narrow streets, covered walkways and buildings that don't overwhelm you. Manchester feels big. Large blocks and architecture designed to impress rather than comfort. Leeds has modern buildings but they tend to blend in, glass mixed with stone, mid-rise developments that don't dominate the city. Manchester, however, goes the opposite way. Tall buildings, bold glass designs and a skyline that almost changes yearly. It feels very ambitious, although some might say it's getting quite repetitive. Manchester has 3 railway stations: Manchester Victoria, Manchester Piccadilly and Manchester Oxford Road. Manchester Piccadilly is the largest railway station in Manchester, which connects all networks and is also the main hub for the city centre. The station has a large 14 platforms and has loads of different rail companies operating. The station is located on the southeastern side of the city centre. Leeds, however, only has one railway station and it is the busiest station in northern England. It has 17 platforms and operates north to south, east to west and is the main hub for the city centre and the cities around Yorkshire. Leeds regenerates carefully. It uses its old buildings without losing its character. The city tends to refurbish old buildings and giving them their full character that they had before. There's even cool street art about. Manchester regenerates aggressively. Warehouses become flats, offices and bars. Sometimes they are brilliantly designed, but also they can cost the identity of the building. It's not about which is better, it's about which one you value more, character or spectacle. So, which city gets architecture right, Manchester or Leeds? Leave a comment and let me know.